Welcome, in front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do that, right click on your laptop's desktop, then select Personalize option, then go to Background section, and then right here you'll be able to select one of the four options of a background or wallpaper. The picture option lets you select either one of the recent images. For me, that would be the Microsoft default images, or you can browse photos by clicking right here and selecting the photos from your file explorer, and you can also choose a feed for your desktop image by expanding this list and choosing one of these options. Now the second option is a solid color. This lets you use a single color as your background, and if you want to, you can also use a custom color by clicking View Colors and selecting the color that suits you more. Now in the slideshow, using a slideshow option, you'll have to browse for a folder with photos that you have to select, and once you select it, click choose this folder, and pictures from this folder will appear on your screen as your background every once in a while. You can change the frequency of changing the images changing by expanding this list and choosing one of these values. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle, and you can let the slideshow run even if the laptop is working on battery power by switching this one. And you can also choose a feed for your desktop image by choosing one of these values. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, and Windows Spotlight is basically just a random image from Microsoft that changes every once in a while on your laptop, and it also lets you get to know more about the image that is showing to you. If you click right here, you will be able to get to know more about the place where this photo is taken, and you'll also be able to see all the other photos presented to you by Microsoft. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.